doing Mythbusters on this gun. It says it shoots 120 feet. We'll have to text that after I unbox. Wait, should I turn into a myth-busting channel? No, I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. Okay, let's unbox. Oh, I know. There comes the gun. Okay, this is called the nerf, the Ultra 5, I guess. I guess that's what it's called. It stands. Okay, that's a cool ability that I did not know. It looks like the grip is different. So, let's grab the darts that are right here. Okay, so these darts are different, as you can see. They're like, I think these are aerodynamic darts. At the end of the video, we're gonna be shooting it in my backyard and seeing if it actually goes 120 feet, 36 meters. So we're just gonna, okay. So I read the instructions and it like pulls back, put a bullet, and then you snug it right there. It is officially loaded. Let's see how fast it shoots. Okay. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That shoots insanely fast. Okay, so it looks cool, but you guys, look at this grip. It has room for all your fingers, and then the shooting hand. Okay, let's go to my backyard in 3, 2, 1. Guys, well, we're back and we're in my backyard, and we're gonna test if this thing actually goes 120 feet. I've already loaded the bullets in there, and we're good. So let's see. Oh, yeah, that definitely went 120. Let's see where I think I'm. So yes, it does go 120 feet. So, peace.